ARIF is at the forefront of Australia's energy transition. We've got solar, we've got wind, we've got hydro, and now we're introducing battery energy storage.
Hume Power Station has an important role in Australia's energy transition, provides clean, stable electricity supply as well as balancing the grid and providing system inertia.
The opportunity in Australia is tremendous. The federal government has strongly supported the growth of renewables, and the opportunity to replace an ageing coal fleet throughout Australia is so great.
At the moment, Australia has committed to net zero by 2050. We need significant investment in the Australian market to meet that target. At the moment, a lot of the energy is generated by coal, and coal is becoming more unreliable as approximately 60% of the coal power stations are over 40 years old. So ARIF is a very viable platform at the moment for investing in renewables.
So ARIF started as a portfolio of 3 operating wind farms and has now grown over the past 8 years into being a diverse portfolio across wind, solar and hydro. We're big believers in diversification when investing in renewable energy. There are a lot of site-specific risks with any renewable energy project, and our perspective is that these can be mitigated by investing across a range of sectors and geographies like we've done in ARIF. Our first investment was in 2006, which was one of the earliest investments in the Australian market. We've been through different cycles and I think have a team that has seen many different aspects of the renewable energy journey.
Foresight has the advantage that we have been investing sustainably for many decades. For us, sustainability is baked in, not bolted on. Over 3/4 of our assets are already aligned with the Paris Agreement's climate mitigation goals. Our sustainability strategy is to be responsible stewards of capital, focusing on 3 pillars: people and culture, being a responsible business, and also focusing on climate and the environment. We focus on these 3 pillars because they're important for the societies in which we operate, in which we live, in which we work, but also because it's the right thing to do for our investors.
Hume is Foresight's hydro facility near Albury in New South Wales. It's 58 megawatts, it's a run-of-the-river facility, and we have 9 full-time employees working there. Operational excellence really underpins the safety, culture and performance of the team. It is probably the most material driver of how the asset performs and therefore how our portfolio performs.
So hydro's flexibility complements wind and solar generation quite well. When wind and solar generation drops off, we can ramp up our hydro units.
We've got solar, we've got batteries, we've got wind and obviously hydro, and I think it complements the other technologies. Depending on the technology type, it can be quite negatively correlated to the other assets, which means that if you don't have the other renewable resource, hydro could be a backstop as a scheduled generator.
So Foresight developed a battery energy storage system at Hume Hydro because there's actually unused capacity in the 132 kV transmission line. The battery energy storage system uses that unused capacity to maximise the value of the existing infrastructure.
So for us to put the Hume BESS nearby Hume Hydro, it creates additional value by shortening the development timeline, making sure that we understand the objections of the community, if there are any, and addressing them in a timely manner.
Some of the funds generated from the battery storage system will be put towards a community benefit fund. These funds will help build public infrastructure, support local economic growth and tourism. When nature thrives and communities grow, everyone wins, including our investors.
What we try and do as an asset management team in terms of building investor confidence is we're just trying to provide consistent returns, but real case studies of value optimisation, so exceeding their expectations.
ARIF has the platform to lead in the energy transition at the moment. We have the current portfolio of assets, we have the investment team who can invest further into these types of assets, and we have the management team who can run them and operate them. So ARIF has plenty of opportunity and has the staff to make it happen.